if you go into British history, and that's where I think we should really look at, before the start, during the British Raj, time and again, the policy has been to divide and rule, to get one of the kingdoms or the principalities under control. You sort of created a kind of a divide, whether it was a religious divide, whether it was a sectarian, whether it was an ethnic divide. And this was exploited very beautifully by them. And so I think to an extent in the 1800s, the 1900s, early 1900s, they did use the Sikh to sort of quell any resistance that happened in the Hindu kingdoms that they wanted to subjugate. So maybe to an extent that was it, but it was very marginal. When you look back at the history of the Hindu and Sikhs, the eldest son of a Hindu family became an Amritdhari and then joined and became a Sikh, the protector of the family, the community, and the relation. So today, if I am a Sahni, there are Sahnis who are turban Sikhs, may have been for the last 5-6 generations. So there is such an umbilical linkage between the Hindus and Sikhs of Punjab. It's very difficult to say that there was a divide, but yeah, they did try to exploit it. And we saw the outcome of it when the Khalistani movement started.